Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to AI Profit Pro. AI. It's not just some futuristic tech anymore, it's here, it's real, and it's got serious money-making potential. We're talking about using the power of AI to build wealth, level up your income streams, and really dive into the future of earning. Now, if you're like me, you've probably seen all the hype around AI tools, but you might not be sure how to actually use them to, make some cash. That's what this video is all about. We're breaking down 5 actionable ways you can start profiting from AI in 2025. Whether you're into freelancing, selling products, or even automating a whole YouTube channel, we've got you covered. So, stick around because we're diving deep into the world of AI and showing you how to turn this tech into your own personal money-making machine. Let's get started. Alright, so let's kick things off with freelancing. Now, freelancing itself isn't new, but AI is changing the game. Think about it. AI tools like ChatGPT are basically like having a superpowered writing assistant, while Jasper can help you create killer marketing copy in minutes. And then there's Midjourney, which can whip up some seriously impressive visuals, even if you can't draw a straight line. These tools aren't here to replace freelancers, they're here to make you, the freelancer, even more powerful. Imagine being able to take on more clients, deliver higher quality work, and do it all in less time because AI is handling the heavy lifting. That's the future we're talking about. So, how do you actually get started? It's simpler than you think. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are already packed with people looking for writers, designers, social media managers, you name it. What you can do is leverage AI to offer these services with a twist. Write blog posts or website copy using ChatGPT, but don't just copy and paste. Take the time to edit, refine, and add your own personal touch. Use Midjourney to create unique graphics, logos, or even illustrations for clients. The possibilities are seriously endless, and here's a pro tip. When you're setting up your profiles and pitching clients, use keywords like AI-assisted or powered by AI. This is going to make you stand out from the crowd and show potential clients that you're on the cutting edge of what's possible. Remember, we're talking about using AI as a tool to enhance your existing skills, not replace them entirely. Clients still value creativity, critical thinking, and that human touch. But by incorporating AI into your workflow, you can streamline your process, take on more projects, and ultimately boost your income. Okay, so freelancing is cool, but what if you're more into the idea of passive income? That's where selling digital products comes in, and let me tell you, AI is a game changer in this space. Think about it. You can use AI to create stunning designs for printable planners or journals, even if you don't have a design background. ChatGPT can help you write compelling eBooks or even craft detailed templates for things like social media posts or business plans. And then there's the world of AI-generated art. Platforms like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney allow you to create mind-blowing, unique pieces of art just by typing in a few keywords. You can literally sell these creations as prints, merchandise, or even use them in your own design projects. Now, once you've got your digital products ready to go, platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it super easy to set up shop and start selling. And here's where the automation magic really kicks in. AI can help you write product descriptions that are optimized for search engines, generate catchy titles, and even handle customer service inquiries through chatbots. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing that your AI-powered storefront is working for you 24/7. That's the beauty of digital products, and AI just amplifies that potential. You're essentially building a business that can generate income even while you sleep. And the best part is, you don't need a ton of upfront investment. You can start small, test different product ideas, and scale up as you learn what works best. It's all about experimenting, being creative, and leveraging the power of AI to bring your digital product dreams to life. Let's be real, starting a YouTube channel can be a ton of work. Writing scripts, filming videos, editing, it all takes time. But what if I told you that AI could help you automate a huge chunk of that process? Yeah, you heard that right. Now I know what you're thinking. AI-generated content, won't that be robotic and boring? Actually, no. AI tools have gotten seriously good. And when used creatively, they can help you produce high-quality videos without ever having to step in front of a camera. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to start a channel about, the latest tech gadgets. You can use ChatGPT to generate a script outline, complete with key talking points and even jokes. Then, take that script and plug it into a text-to-speech platform like 11 Labs. They have incredibly realistic voices that sound just like real people. For the visuals, AI video generators like Pictory or Runway ML can create engaging animations, stock footage montages, and even realistic avatars that can deliver your script. You can even use AI to add music, sound effects, and transitions, giving your videos that professional polish. The key here is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience. Think about things like tech reviews, finance tips, cooking tutorials, anything that you can break down into digestible, informative videos. And remember, even though AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, you still need to bring your own unique perspective and personality to the table. So, if you've always wanted to start a YouTube channel but felt held back by the time commitment or the thought of being on camera, AI automation might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Alright, let's talk about money, specifically making your money work for you. Investing is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth, and guess what? AI is making it more accessible than ever. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, but there are AI-powered platforms out there that are designed to help both seasoned investors and complete beginners make smarter investment decisions. Apps like Acorns, for example, will round up your everyday purchases and automatically invest the spare change into a diversified portfolio. It's a super easy way to start investing without even thinking about it. Other platforms like Betterment use AI to create personalized investment strategies based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. And if you're into the world of crypto, there are AI-powered trading bots that can analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf, 24/7. Of course, just like with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. The beauty of AI-powered investing is that it takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation. These platforms analyze massive amounts of data, identify trends, and make decisions based on algorithms that are designed to maximize returns. But remember, AI is a tool, not a guaranteed path to riches. It's important to start small, diversify your investments, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Last but not least, let's talk about e-commerce. If you're running an online store or thinking about starting one, AI can be your secret weapon for streamlining operations and boosting profits. One of the most powerful ways to use AI in e-commerce is through customer service automation. AI-powered chatbots can handle a huge volume of customer inquiries 24/7. They can answer frequently asked questions, provide order tracking information, and even process returns or exchanges. This frees you up to focus on other aspects of your business, like product development or marketing. But AI's capabilities in e-commerce go way beyond just customer service. You can use AI to write compelling product descriptions that are optimized for search engines. This can help improve your product visibility and drive more traffic to your store. AI can also analyze customer data to personalize the shopping experience. By understanding customer preferences and purchase history, AI can recommend products, offer targeted discounts, and even create personalized email marketing campaigns. And let's not forget about advertising. AI-powered platforms can analyze ad performance data and optimize your campaigns in real time. This means you're spending your ad budget more efficiently and getting a higher return on investment. Essentially, AI can help you automate almost every aspect of your e-commerce business, from customer service to marketing to inventory management. This allows you to work smarter, not harder, and scale your business faster than you ever thought possible. So, there you have it. 5 powerful ways AI can help you make money in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a freelancer looking to boost your productivity, an entrepreneur launching a digital product empire, or an investor seeking smarter ways to grow your wealth, AI has something to offer everyone. The key takeaway here is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. By embracing AI and learning how to leverage its capabilities, you can unlock new opportunities, streamline your workflows, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals faster. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI insights, and let me know in the comments. What's the first AI income stream you're going to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.